We're talking tree stand safety. Falls from elevated hunting positions are the #1 cause of hunting incidents in the state of Indiana. When we're getting in, getting out, putting up or taking down are when most of these incidents occur. Indiana conservation officers and Indiana Hunter Education wants you to wear a full body harness from the time you leave the ground, during your hunt, and until you return to the ground safely. We want you to stay connected, Indiana.
Hang-on stands are another lightweight and portable system to use. Here are some basic safety rules to consider when using this type of stand. Pick the correct tree. Make sure it is a live, straight tree of proper size for the stand that you are using. Be aware of trees surrounding your stand location for potential hazards as well. To use a hang-on stand, you will need some type of climbing aid. Screw-in steps are illegal to use on public land, and safer alternatives are available. Two common types of climbing aids are one that has ladder-like sections that are installed individually, or one that has sections that you put together to make up one ladder and then it is installed. Always set up your ladder section so that the steps are above the stand position so that you can step down into the stand. When installing your climbing aid and your stand, stay connected to the tree using a lineman's belt that is supplied with your full body harness. When you have reached the platform of your stand, secure yourself to the tree using your tree tether and tree strap of your full body harness. You may then wish to install a tree stand safety rope like a lifeline or similar product as part of the installation process and transition to it before climbing down. Stay connected to the tree the whole time using your full body harness and a lineman's belt or a tree stand safety rope. Connect your harness to the tree stand safety rope before you begin your climb on the climbing aid. While climbing, maintain at least 3 points of contact at all times. Move the prusik of the tree stand safety rope with you as you climb. When moving the prusik, do not grab the knot itself, but slide your hand either above or below it. When you reach the top of the stand, reposition your tree tether to head level or higher so that there is little or no slack when seated and begin your hunt. Pull all your equipment up with a haul line. Any firearms brought up should be unloaded with action open and the muzzle pointed in a safe direction. When you have completed your hunt, unload your firearm and use a haul line to lower it back to the ground with the action open and the muzzle pointed in a safe direction. Also lower any other equipment with a haul line. Descend slowly, moving the prusik of the tree stand safety rope down along with you as you slowly go down the ladder. Maintain at least 3 points of contact while descending as well. Once on ground level, disconnect from the tree stand safety rope.
We hope some of these tree stand safety tips will help you have a safe and successful hunting season. We want you to always wear a full body harness and stay connected, Indiana.